Hello my dear children. In the previous class, we started learning about multiplication. Today at first, we are going to learn multiplication of a two-digit number with a two-digit number. We will learn this through an example. Find 23 multiplied by 31. So first of all, we have to write the numbers according to the place value of the digits. There are two place values, so you write tens place and ones place. First you write 23 is multiplied by 31. Now let's start our multiplication process. First you have to multiply 23 by 1. 23 multiplied by 1. So here first you have to multiply 1 by unit digits. So 1 3s are 3. Then multiply 1 by 2. 1 2s are 2. So we got the answer 23. From this what you understood, if you multiply any number by 1, we got the same number as the answer. Now we let's multiply 23 by 30. So why we are multiplying 23 by 30 here? Because only the units place digit we took. So the tens place digit is remaining. So the tens place digit is 3. That means 3 tens. That is why we are multiplying 23 with 30. So let's multiply 23 with 30. So we know that for multiplying any number by 20, 30 or 40, what you have to do? First you have to multiply the numbers without 0. So we have to multiply 23 by 3. 23 by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6. 69 we got. And so for getting 23 into 30 is equal to 69. Then you have to put a 0 on the right side. So we got 690 here. So the 690 we have to write in our answer. 690. Now we can add these numbers. So 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 9, 11. So you have to write 1 and 1 you can carry forward to this 6. So 1 plus 6, 7. So now we got the answer 713. So 23 multiplied by 31 is equal to 713. One more example. Multiply 42 by 21. So here first we have to write the numbers according to the place value of the digits. So tens place and hundreds place. Tens place 4. 2 multiplied by 2 and 21. Then and first we have to multiply step 1. In the first step we have to multiply 42 by 1. So 42 multiplied by 1. What is the answer we got? 42 multiplied by 1. 42 itself. 1 2s are 2 and 4 1s are 4 itself. So we got 42 and you have to write here 42 in the answer place. Then the next we have to multiply 42 multiplied by, in the second step you have to multiply 42 by 20. Why we are multiplying 42 by 20? Because this 2 is in the tens place. So we have to take 20. Then for multiplying any number by 10, 20, 30 like that, what we have to do? We have to multiply the numbers without 0, and after getting the answer we have to put 0 on the right side. So 42 multiplied by 2 is equal to, what you got? When you multiply, we will get 84. Now we can put 42 multiplied by 20 is equal to 84, and you have to put 0 on the right side. So we got the answer 840. So here in the answer side we will write 840. This next step, step 3, we have to add the numbers 42 plus 840. So 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 4, 8, and again 8. Here there is nothing, so we have to write 8. We got the answer 882. Now multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number without regrouping. So in this case also the multiplication procedure is same. Only the difference is the multiplicand is a 3-digit number. Let's do one example. Find 213 multiplied by 21. So for multiplying, first we have to write the numbers according to the place value of the digits. Tens place, here hundreds place is also there, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. 213 multiplied by 21. Now at first we have to multiply 213 by 1. 213 multiplied by 1. What is the answer we are getting here? Any number multiplying by 1, we got the same number. So 213 by 1 is equal to 213 itself. So we can write here 213. Now in the second step we have to multiply 213 by 20. So for multiplying any number by 20, what you have to do? Remove the 0, multiply, and after put the 0 on the right side. So 213 multiplied by 2. 213 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4, 426. Then 213 multiplied by 20 is equal to 426. Again one 0 on the right hand side. So this we have write here 4260. Now add this 213 plus 4260. So 3 plus 0 3, 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 2 4, and 4 plus 0 4. Now we got the answer 4473. Let's do one more example. Find 242 by 11. 242 multiplied by 11. Hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 242 multiplied by 11. So first you have to multiply 242 by 1. 242 multiplied by 1. So we got the same answer 242. Right here 242. Now let's multiply. In the second step, you have to multiply 242 by 10 because 1 is in the tens place. So for multiplying any number by 10, you just have to put 0 on the right hand side of the number. So 242 multiplied by 10 is equal to 2420. 2420 here. Now let's add these numbers. 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 0, 2. So our final answer is 2662. That is 242 multiplied by 11 is equal to 2662. Multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number with regrouping. Okay, first we have to start from a 2-digit number. Multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number with regrouping. Doing one example. Multiply 54 by 13. So here first you have to write numbers, ones and tens. So 54 multiplied by 13. First you have to multiply 54 by 3. 54 multiplied by 3. So here first you have to multiply 4 3s are 12. So we have to write 2 here and 1 we are carry over. You are going to move into this 5. Then the next we have to multiply 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So we got our answer 162 right here. 162. Now we have to multiply 54 multiplied by 10. That is equal to 540. So let's write here 540. Add 2 plus 0, 2, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, then 1. Here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7. Now we got the answer 702. 54 into 13 is equal to 702. Multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. Example. Multiply 342 by 27. So first of all you have to write 342 27. Hundreds, tens and ones place. At first we have to multiply 7 by 342. So 342 multiplied by 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 ones, that means 4 we have to take and 1 we can regroup into this tens place digit 4. Then you multiply 4 into 7. 4 7s are, what is 4 7? 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28 we will get. Then we have to add 1 to the 28. So it will be 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. So 29 hundredths. That means 9 hundredths. And this 2 we are regrouped into this 3. Okay, now let's multiply 7 by 3. 3 7s are 21, and 1 2 is already there. That also we have to add to this 21. So 21 plus 2 is equal to 23. And now we have to write 23 here, because there is no other digits to carry forward. So we got our answer. 342 multiplied by 7 is equal to 2394 here. So this we have to write here 2394. Now let's multiply 342 by 2. 342 by 2. Here we know that 2 2s are 4. Multiplication sign you can write in the right side and left side, both are correct. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. And you have to put a 0 on the right side, because here we have to multiply this 342 by 20 actually. So 342 by 20 we will get 6840. Here you write 6840. Now we can add 4 plus 0 4, 9 plus 4 13. You can write 3 and 1, carry forward to this 3, and 3 plus 8, 11 plus 1 12. You write 2 and 1, carry to this 2, then 2 plus 1 3 plus 6 9. So the answer is 9234. One more example. Multiply 4635 multiplied by 31. Sorry, only 3-digit number we have to take. So 635 multiplied by 31. 635 multiplied by 31. 6 is in the hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So first you have to multiply 635 by 1. 635 multiplied by 1 is equal to 635 itself. So we can write here 635. Now we have to multiply 635 multiplied by 30, because this 3 is in the tens place, so we have to write multiply by 30. So 635 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. For 15, 5 we can write, and 1 carry to this 3, and 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 we can carry forward to this 6, then 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19. 1905. Then put 1 0. Then you get what? 635 multiplied by 30 is equal to 10,000 19,050. Five plus 0, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 6 plus 0, 6. 9. Then 1. We got our final answer. Now let's learn some properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. The first property is if you multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0. If you multiply 568 by 0, the answer is 0. If you multiply 697 by 0, you got 0. If you multiply 3 with 0, you got 0 as the answer. So the first property is if you multiply any number and 0, the answer is also 0. Then the second property says if you multiply any number by 1, the answer is the same number itself. So if you multiply 378 by 1, the answer also 378. The value of the number will not change if you multiply by 1. Or we can say that product of any number and 1 is equal to the same number. 3759 multiplied by 1 is also 3759. So in the second property it says if you multiply any number by 1, then the answer also will be 1. Then the third property says a change in the order of the number to be multiplied does not affect the product. If you multiply 2 into 4, that is equal to 4 into 2. 8. We know that 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. Similarly, we can say that 21 into 5 is equal to 5 into 21 is equal to 105. Now the fourth property says a change in grouping of 3 or more numbers does not affect the product. This is known as grouping or associative property of multiplication. That means if you multiply 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So if you change the order of grouping, it will not affect the answer. In both cases, we got the same answer, 8. Now let's do one word problem. So our question is, there are 17 floors in an apartment and each floor has 12 houses. How many houses are there in the apartment? Here we know the number of floors in an apartment. There are 17 floors and we know the number of houses in each floor. So for finding the number of houses, we have to multiply the number of floors by the number of houses. So let's write the steps. Number of floors in the apartment. Number of floors in the apartment. There are 17 floors in the apartment. Now in the second step we have to write number of houses in each floor. So it is given that there are 12 houses in each floor. Now let's find out our answer. Number of houses in the apartment. For finding the number of houses in the apartment, we have to multiply the number of floors by the number of houses in each floor. That is 17 multiplied by 12. How to multiply 17 by 12? You multiply here 17 multiplied by 12. How to multiply? First you have to multiply 7 by 2. 7 2s are 14. So we have to write here 4. 17 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. 4. Then 1. Carry to this 1. Then 1 2s are 2. And 2 plus 1. 3. 34. Then 17 multiplied by 10. We know that 170. 4. 3 plus 7 10. So 1 carry this 1. 1 plus 1 2. So we got our answer. There are 204 flats are there, or 204 houses are there in this apartments. So you write in sentence, there are 204 houses in the apartment. Dear children, today we completed our first chapter, multiplication, and all of you have to complete your exercises up to 1.7. Thank you.